The YOSUDA 5-in-1 folding bike uniquely combines multiple exercise modalities, offering an upright bike, semi-recumbent bike, recumbent bike, rowing machine, and resistance bands in one compact design. With a robust construction, this exercise bike supports up to 330 pounds, ensuring stability and safety for a wide range of users. Its oversized, padded seat and adjustable height settings cater to individuals ranging from 4 feet 9 inches to 6 feet 2 inches, providing a comfortable and customizable workout experience. The bike features 16 levels of resistance, allowing users to tailor their workouts from gentle muscle relaxation to intense fat-burning sessions. Integrated with smart technology, it connects to apps via Bluetooth, enabling users to track their performance metrics like time, speed, distance, and calories burned in real time. Engineered with a hyper-quiet magnetic drive system, the bike operates at a mere 10 decibels, ensuring a peaceful workout environment without disturbing others.